Anna is a young woman. She is 22 years old. She lives in a small town, but today she wants to visit her grandmother in the big city. Anna is a little nervous because this is her first big trip alone. Anna comes to the railway station. The station is very big and very busy. There are many people. They run with suitcases. They drink coffee. They look at big screens. Anna looks at the screens too. She sees many numbers and names of cities. She does not understand everything. She feels a little lost.
Okay, Anna, you can do it,
She says to herself. She takes a deep breath. She walks to the ticket office. There is a long queue. Anna stands in the queue. She waits for 10 minutes. Now it is her turn. A woman works at the ticket office. She has a kind face and a blue uniform. She smiles.
Good morning. Where do you want to go?
Good morning. I want to go to Greenfield City, please.
One ticket to Greenfield City. Do you want a single or a return ticket?
A return ticket, please. I want to come back on Sunday.
Okay, that is £45, please.
Anna opens her bag. She takes out her wallet. She pays with a £50 note. The ticket officer gives her the ticket and some change.
Here is your ticket and your change. Your train leaves from platform 7 at 10:15 a.m. Have a nice journey.
Thank you very much.
Anna looks at the ticket. It is a small piece of paper. She is very happy. She has a ticket. She looks around. Where is platform 7? She sees a sign. The sign says platforms 1 to 5 and platforms 6 to 10. She goes to the right. She walks past a small shop. The shop smells like fresh bread and coffee. Anna is hungry. She buys a bottle of water and a cheese sandwich for the journey. She finds platform 7. There is a big blue train. It looks very modern and clean. Anna feels excited. Anna goes inside the train. She looks for her seat. Her seat number is 24A. She walks down the corridor. The corridor is narrow. She finds seat 24A. It is by the window. Perfect. She puts her small suitcase on the rack above the seat. She sits down. The seat is soft and very comfortable. She looks out of the window. She can see other trains and people on the platform. Soon, a man in a uniform comes. He has a hat and a badge. He is the conductor.
Good morning, madam. Can I see your ticket, please?
Yes, of course.
Anna gives him the ticket. The conductor looks at it. He nods his head.
Greenfield City. Very good. Your train stops at Bridgeport, Oak Hill, and then Greenfield City. The journey is about 2 hours. Enjoy your ride.
Thank you. Do you know if there is a restaurant on the train?
The conductor laughs softly.
No, madam. No restaurant. But there is a trolley. A man will come with coffee and snacks. You can buy from him.
Oh, good, thank you.
The conductor smiles and walks away. Anna feels more relaxed now. There is a woman sitting across from Anna. She is reading a book. She has a little dog on her lap. The dog is small and fluffy. Anna loves dogs. The woman looks at Anna and smiles.
Hello. Is this your first time on this train?
Hello. Yes, it is my first time. I am going to visit my grandmother.
That is lovely. I travel on this train every week. I go to work in the city. My name is Claire.
Nice to meet you, Claire. My name is Anna.
Nice to meet you too, Anna. Don't worry. It is a good train. It is safe and comfortable. Look, my dog likes you.
Anna looks at the little dog. The dog wags its tail. Anna smiles. She feels less nervous. Suddenly, there is a loud sound. It is the train's whistle.
Oh, are we leaving?
Yes, we are moving.
Anna feels a gentle push. The train slowly starts to move. She looks out of the window. The platform is moving backwards. The people on the platform are getting smaller and smaller. Anna sees the ticket officer from before. The officer waves at the train. Anna waves back, even though the officer cannot see her. The train leaves the station. It goes faster and faster. Soon, the big city buildings disappear. Now Anna sees green fields and small houses. There are cows in the fields. There are pretty flowers. The sky is blue and clear. Anna feels peaceful. The train makes a gentle sound, clickety-clack, clickety-clack. Anna opens her book. She tries to read, but the view outside is so nice. She looks out of the window for a long time. She sees a river. It is wide and shiny. She sees a church with a tall tower. She sees children playing in a garden. After 30 minutes, a young man comes with a trolley. The trolley has coffee, tea, cakes, and sandwiches.
Hello, coffee, tea, something to eat.
A cup of tea, please, and a piece of cake.
Here you are. That is 3 pounds, please.
Anna pays. The tea is hot. The cake is delicious. It tastes like apples. Claire, the woman with the dog, puts down her book.
I like your bag. It is very pretty.
Thank you. My mother gave it to me for my birthday.
It is a nice color. Red is my favorite.
Mine too.
They talk for a while. Anna tells Claire about her grandmother. She says her grandmother makes the best apple pie. Claire says she loves apple pie.
You are a nice girl, Anna. I am sure your grandmother is very happy to see you.
Thank you, Claire. I think so too.
Anna looks at Claire's dog. The dog is sleeping now.
What is your dog's name?
His name is Max. He is a good boy. He loves train rides. He just sleeps all the way.
The train slows down. It stops at a station called Bridgeport. Some people get off. Some people get on. A man with a big guitar sits near Anna. The train starts again. Anna feels a little sleepy. She closes her eyes for a moment. The sound of the train is like music. She dreams about her grandmother's house. She sees a garden with roses. She sees a big white cat. Suddenly, the conductor's voice comes over the speaker.
Attention, please. We are now approaching Greenfield City. Please take all your belongings. Thank you for traveling with us.
Anna opens her eyes. She feels excited. She looks out of the window. The city is big and modern. There are tall buildings. There are many cars. The train slows down. Claire is packing her book.
We are here, Anna. This is my station, too. It was nice to meet you.
It was wonderful to meet you, Claire. And you too, Max?
Max wags his tail. Anna stands up. She takes her suitcase down from the rack. The train stops. The doors open. Anna steps out onto the platform. The air feels different. It is the air of the big city. She is a little bit lost, but she is not scared. She takes out her phone. She sees a message from her grandmother. I am waiting for you at the main entrance. Welcome, darling. Anna smiles. She walks with Claire and Max towards the station exit. She is ready for a new adventure. The end.